Hi everyone, good evening. This is Vinodini from Footrace. We've been in Hyderabad for the last 3 days and we really had a fantastic experience where, about our Footrace application and about our technology and the advancement it has reached in a very good way. And our application has been really, really appreciated, and so much of people where we got to check in their interest is, and they said they all wanted to have the positive approach down the line. They wanted to implement it, and this is a technology where they've been searching it for quite some time, and it's so unexpectedly they got to check in us. And so thank you so much for this expo, and thank you so much, and we are so proud and happy that we have built in such a great technology wherein like we are connecting between the brand and the consumers, where both of them can have the trust and transparency in towards each other's journey, like when it comes to the food. And so and now like basically I just wanted to give you a quick intro about our application, how it works or how it benefits from the consumer point in time, and from the brand perspective, from the business perspectives too. So from the consumer point in time, like I as a layman customer, if I wanted to buy any product, nowadays everybody is coming up with a tagline stating that, my product is organic, my product is 100% free, there is no chemicals, there is no pesticides. So everybody is just saying by word of mouth, but as a real-time proof, like we don't get anything. So to really have a challenge and to bring in a solution is what like the application has been built. So when we get to scan our QR code, basically this is the, so we help people in getting up the data into this QR code format. So once a people gets to scan the QR code in any product, so they gets to learn the complete journey of them. So which starts from like sowing the seed, planting the seeds, or watering the seeds, or cultivating it, packaging, everything from the farmer's level. So bringing in the transparency and bringing in the methods that they follow in a very, very transparent way from the producer side. And when it comes to the processor, and especially for the bigger manufacturers, for the larger processing units, from there also they will have a number of stages to follow into their processing time. So in that also our application helps you to understand the step by step or the stage by stage events could be manufactured. So presently if you see, what we heard the collective information from the last 3 days from the producers or from the processors is that like they are having a traditional method of following up the data, basically like either having it in a normal Excel or using a basic ERP kind of a system. So they are, for them, like the moment they get to hear about our product and about our application traces, so they were all so much interested, and this is how we are also feeling so happy that we have really got an eye-catching moment from the producers and from the processor levels basically. And so from then, this is from the consumer point in time. Now that I have 100% transparency on which food should I have to trust, which food is really basically this is giving a proof of concept of whatever the business people are authenticating the data. And so this is from the consumer side, and from the business side, from the brand side typically, right? So see, by incorporating our traceability solutions basically, so the brand's valuation will definitely be increased. So every brands are saying or giving a word of mouth promises, so but wherein nowadays people are expecting a proof of concept. So that's how our traceability application comes into the picture. And yes, when you have a unique selling point, you incorporate a unique pattern towards your business or towards your product, it attracts the consumers, it attracts everyone actually. And another beautiful thing is that like, see, everything can be tracked and traced. That's the biggest point. See, from the business point in time, like when you wanted to do any business, there will always be some pain points and there will always be a lot of good points. But in case if something goes wrong, so to track or to trace where it would have happened or how it would have happened, like people are left with no clues. So in that perspective also, our application will be the right platform to have a check onto it. And assuming like even in terms of any kind of a massive production you wanted to do, or the product is very less, so our application helps you to give you a decisions wherein you can take a strategic decisions in terms of your brand, as in to focus on which area or to which line. Everything like the decision making will be like so easily, and it is like you know, it'll be a win-win situation for both the end users, from the brand owners or the business persons, and to the consumers or to the customers. So would really appreciate if you know, everybody can check in us and follow us. We are there on all the social medias like Instagram, Twitter, and officially, yes, with LinkedIn. So thank you so much. It's a wonderful experience from Foodtrace and from the team, and looking forward for all of your support. Let's step in towards the success. Thank you so much.